Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you install an unknown app into your phone device. Sometimes we face problem when we want to install a app from Google but not Google Play Store or Chrome browser. That's time we found a problem, the app you cannot install. So no problem, I will show you how can you install any of app into your phone without any hesitate. So before that I will ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So for doing that you have to go first your phone settings. Your phone settings anywhere can be. So here my phone settings. From phone settings you have to find your apps manager. You can see here my app manager here. So in your phone anywhere can be the app manager, so you have to find your app manager. From app manager you can see here, from app manager you have to find your Google Play service. You have to click here and have to tap on storage and have to clear cache and manage space. From here you have to clear all the thing and then you have to go you can see here Google Play Store. You have to click here and you have to click storage and have to clear data and clear cache. You can see here, after clearing all the thing your half work have been done. Then you have to go your Google Play Store. You have to log in your email. After logging in email you have to click here your profile icon. You can see here on my profile icon. From here you have to click Play Protect. You can see here Play Protect. You have to click on here and from here you have to click, you can see here settings icon. You have to click here and then scan app with the Play Protects. You have to off it. You can see turn off. Then your all work have been finished. And now if